Okay, so now we want to look at how do we physically take the soil test. As I said, yes, we might use probes, but you can simply do a soil test with a shovel at home. Key thing, just a basic shovel, and preferably a clean bucket would be ideal. As I said before, we've spoken about walking diagonally across the paddock, or driving if it's a big paddock, or zigzagging across the paddock. Sometimes we'll even take GPS recordings so that we can come back and sample those same areas again. Different things like that. That's just going to improve the accuracy down the track. Soil test is not that complicated. What I say to people is just dig up a clod or a shovel of dirt, okay? And then basically from that, we want to take a vertical section of soil. Now I've probably gone a bit deep here. For most soil tests, we want to take what we call a shallow soil test. And a shallow soil test is 0 to 10 centimetres, or in the old terms, the top 4 inches. We want to take from the top down to about 10 centimetres. And if you look on a ruler or a tape measure, 10 centimetres is not that deep, okay? The deeper you go, you just could get some inaccuracies. Some nutrients accumulate deeper down, so you tend to find higher levels of sulphur down here. We're in a dark basalt soil here. So the deeper we go, the more clay we're going to hit, and therefore magnesium levels are going to be higher. So consistency is important, but jump on a shovel, dig up a clod of dirt, and we want to just basically, you sort of just want to break off a vertical section of that soil. So you can just simply take, roughly speaking, a vertical section of that soil and drop it in a bucket, anything like that. What I do say to people is, if you can, take the soil off the front of the shovel, preferably the dirt that hasn't been in contact with the back of the shovel. So the reason for that is there could be rust, or it could be a zinc coating on the shovel that could just contaminate the sample. Okay, so dig up a clod of dirt, take a vertical section. I've sort of just grabbed a handful of dirt. I've basically got about a 10 centimetre depth of soil there, drop that in the bucket. Now we're going to do that a number of times across the paddock. And then what we're going to do with that bucket of dirt at the end, we're just going to mix that soil up. We're going to throw out, the leaves and the stones and sticks, and then we're going to take about a half a kilo of soil out of that bucket, and that becomes our soil test sample. Okay,